Are you feeling low energy, weak muscle growth, or low sex drive? Do you feel less confident in bed or find it difficult to perform at your best? Well, you're not alone. Millions of men worldwide struggle with low testosterone levels, and this hormone imbalance can affect both physical and mental health. But the good news is, you can boost testosterone naturally with some simple foods, especially fruits. In today's video, I will share with you the 5 best fruits that can naturally increase testosterone, improve energy, and enhance performance. Hello, and a very good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Himanshu, and I warmly welcome you to Bharat Homeopathy. Here, you can find detailed scientific information on health and wellness, yoga, exercise, natural diet, and holistic treatments for various health conditions. Okay, let's move on to our main topic. Before we move on to the fruits, let's first understand what testosterone actually does in the body. Testosterone is produced mainly in the testicles. It helps with sperm production, regulates sex drive, and supports muscle mass, strength, and bone density. Do females also have testosterone? Yes, women also have testosterone, but in much smaller amounts. It helps with mood, bone health, and libido. Now, let's talk about what low testosterone can do to your body. Low testosterone levels can lead to fatigue and weakness, depression, or low mood. Poor muscle growth despite workouts, weight gain, especially belly fat, and erectile dysfunction and low sex drive. Now, the question is, what can boost low testosterone instead of just depending on medications? See, just simple dietary changes, especially adding certain fruits, can naturally stimulate testosterone production. The first fruit is pomegranate. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries as a natural libido and fertility booster. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the biggest reasons for reduced testosterone levels, poor sperm quality, and erectile dysfunction. A study from the Queen Margaret University in Edinburgh showed that men who consumed pomegranate juice daily for 2 weeks experienced an average 24% increase in testosterone levels. Now, the second fruit is bananas. They are not only a quick energy snack, but they are also loaded with compounds that help boost testosterone. They contain bromelain, an enzyme known to support testosterone production. They are rich in B vitamins, especially B6, which plays a key role in regulating sex hormones. They are high in potassium and magnesium, minerals that relax blood vessels and improve circulation, essential for good sexual health. Now, let's move on to our next fruit. They are red grapes. They are one of the most powerful fruits for men's health. The skin of red grapes contains resveratrol, a compound that protects testicular cells and boosts sperm health. Some studies show that resveratrol not only improves sperm motility, but also increases testosterone production. Grapes are also rich in antioxidants that protect against free radical damage, another factor that lowers testosterone. Grapes are also rich in antioxidants that protect against free radical damage, another factor that lowers testosterone. Now, I want to discuss a very important research published in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology, which showed that resveratrol improves sperm count and mobility, while also maintaining higher testosterone levels in men. Do you know that avocado is a boon for testosterone? That's why they are often called a superfruit for a reason. They are full of nutrients that directly support hormone production. They are rich in healthy, monounsaturated fats that are building blocks for testosterone. They contain vitamin E and zinc, both of which are critical for sperm quality and testosterone production. Studies show that men who consume foods rich in vitamin E and healthy fats have better testosterone levels and higher fertility. They are packed with potassium and folate, which improve circulation and nerve function. Now, next, let's come to the fruit of fertility and vitality. They are rich in zinc, a mineral that directly boosts testosterone. They are packed with antioxidants, which protect sperm from damage. They contain natural sugars that give instant energy without harming testosterone balance. Well, a study published in the International Journal of Reproductive Biomedicine showed that consuming dates improves sperm quality, increases motility, and enhances testosterone levels. All right, so these are 5 fruits that you should start consuming if you face any sexual problem, be it erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, low testosterone, or low sex drive. I hope you found my video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more men's health-related informative and interesting topics. Thanks.